Three.
Hello everyone, we are here to present the result of our interview about the role of organic farming in maintaining soil healthy and sustainable agriculture. Before starting, we would like to introduce yourselves first. Let me introduce myself. My name Dimas Septiana. I will explain the background, objective, respondent profile, and interview question. Next, I will introduce my colleague named Farid Hoirullah, who will explain the first main finding, the second main finding, and the third main finding. Next, I will introduce my colleague named Dewi Ausi, who will explain the four main finding, main explanation, and solution. Let's begin. First, I will explain the of this study. Based on current condition, the use of chemical fertilizer and pesticide is increasing in agricultural practices. This leads to a decrease in soil fertility. As a result, it causes environmental damage and health problems. However, public awareness of whole food is increasing. Therefore, organic farming becomes an important solution. Uh, Next, I will explain the objective of this study. The objective of this research can be divided into 4 points. First, to understand community perspective on organic agriculture. Second, to analyze the relation between organic agriculture and soil health. Third, to identify the factor that increase the need for organic farming. Finally, to compare organic and conventional agriculture. Next, I will explain the respondent profile. This study involved five respondents who have background in agriculture. The respondents are Mr. Ucu as the head of agriculture, Mr. Tariana and Mr. Rocky as agriculture teacher, Mrs. Nenden and Mr. Iqmal as greenhouse manager. The interview were conducted at KSBS Al Kausar located in Rajadatu, Ciniam District, Tasikmalaya Regency, West Java. This location was chosen because it is actively involved in agriculture activities and support organic farming practices. Next, I will explain the interview question. Descriptive question: how do you feel the importance of organic agriculture in Indonesia today? Relation question: is there a relation between organic agriculture implementation and soil health? Causal question: we are the main factor causing organic agriculture to become increasingly needed in Indonesia. Comparative question: what significant difference exists between organic and conventional agriculture in Indonesia? The next material will be explained by Farid.
Okay. The first main finding from the interview is about the importance of organic agriculture. Most respondents stated that organic agriculture is healthier and help maintain soil fertility. This happen because organic farming is use natural material, making it more environmentally friendly. In addition, it can reduce environmental pollution and increases awareness of healthy food. Next, The next finding is about the relationship between organic agriculture and soil health. This occurs because organic farming increases soil microorganism and improves soil structure. As a result, soil quality becomes better in the long term. Uh, on the other hand, chemical fertilizers are considered to reduce soil quality over time. Next, there are several main factors identified in the interview. This issue is caused by increasing health awareness, environmental degradation, and concern about the impact of chemical. Therefore, organic agriculture is becoming more necessary as a more sustainable solution. Thank you.
Thank you, Farid. The next material will be explained by Ausi.
Okay, thank you, Dimas. Now I will explain my findings for the first question, we asked our respondent about the significant difference between organic and conventional agriculture in Indonesia. First, according to Mr. Uchu, conventional agriculture is considered more effective for short-term production because it can produce faster results. However, organic agriculture may take longer in the beginning, but is more sustainable and beneficial from long-term farming. Next, Mr. Tariana explained that conventional agriculture commonly uses chemical fertilizer and pesticide to achieve quick harvest and faster plant growth. In contrast, organic agriculture relies more on natural methods and organic materials, making it more making more environmentally friendly and safer for soil health. Uh, Mr. Hernandez stated that conventional farming is practical and efficient, but it can become more expensive because farmers depend on chemical inputs. On the other hand, although organic farming is slower, it can be more economical over time and is also more eco-friendly. Mr. Iqmal mentioned that conventional agriculture works faster because the use of chemicals, while organic agriculture requires more time and patience. However, organic farming considered more environmentally friendly and can reduce production costs in the long run. And the last, Mr. Rocky explained that conventional agriculture may increase production quickly, but it can also harm the environment and reduce soil quality over time. Meanwhile, organic agriculture is slower, but it is more sustainable because it helps maintain soil fertility and support long-term agricultural productivity. Next. Now I will explain explanation of findings. First, organic farming is considered important because it protects the environment and health. Based on interviews, organic farming is considered important in Indonesia because it produces safer food and help protect the environment. Uh, Respondent explained that extensive use chemical fertilizer and pesticides can damage soil and pollute water, while organic farming uses natural materials that are healthier and more environmentally friendly. Second, the use of organic matters improves soil quality. The interviews showed that organic farming has a strong relationship with soil health. Organic fertilizers such as compost and manure uh, help improve soil structure and increase microorganisms like microbes and earthworms that naturally maintain soil fertility. In contrast, Long-term chemical use can reduce soil quality and damage biological activity in the soil. And third, environmental and economic factors are the main drivers. Environmental problems and economic benefits are the main reason why organic farming is increasingly needed. Respondent mentioned that organic farming can reduce pollution and environmental damage. In addition, organic fertilizer can be made from waste materials, making production costs lower and reducing dependence on expensive chemical inputs. And last, conventional farming excels in speed but has no long-term negative impacts. Conventional farming is considered faster and more practical because chemical inputs can quickly increase production. However, respondent explained that it may damage the environment and soil fertility in long term. Meanwhile, organic farming requires more time and preparation, but is more sustainable and beneficial from the future. Thank. Next, next is solution or strategies. First, gradually decrease chemical fertilizer usage. Second, use organic waste as fertilizers. Third, educate communities about organic agriculture. Fourth, develop organic agriculture technology. And the last, encourage farmers to adopt sustainable system. That's all about me. Thank you, Dimas.
Thank you, Ausi. The conclusion is next. Organic agriculture is very important for Indonesian. It is more sustainable than conventional farming and provide benefit for health, environment, and soil fertility. However, support from farmers and communities is still needed. Thank you. That's all the presentation for our group.
12 menit.
Beres.
Dah.